Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I will be making today a video about how to do a quick summer look under 15 minutes. So if you're interested, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I will link all the products that I use down below to achieve this makeup look. If you have any questions, please comment down below as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much. So first you want to go ahead and get started with your favorite primer. I'm going to be using the Porefessional Primer. And actually before that, I'm going to get this headband just so that I don't have to worry about all the hair that's going to be in my way. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to get this primer and dot it all over my face. I'm actually gonna set a timer and I'm just going to spread that all over my face. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and what I like to do is I just literally, I don't really shape my eyebrows, I just kind of fill in the shape that they already have. I don't know if that makes any sense at all, but this is very dirty. Very, very dirty. Weird. Okay. After I just go ahead and fill them in, I'm gonna go in with my favorite eyebrow concealer, or any concealer really. I like to use this one because the NARS one in the color Light 22. It's called Nougatine or something like that, and I like it because it has this little applicator thing, so I don't have to use the brush. I just literally go like this, right? I just follow the shape of my eyebrow, and I follow the shape of my eyebrow again, and then I do the same thing to the top. And I only have to really dip it once. And then with the same applicator, I just go in and blend it out. Same on this side. Finish off with my hands. Again, smooth it out. Perfect. Next, I want to go in with my foundation. I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear, my all-time favorite, in the color Rattan or something like that. And I actually just got this new shade, so I really like it. I used to wear Dawn for like the past 4 years, and they recently gave me a new shade. And I think it's like more yellow, since I do have more of a yellow undertone and not so. Sorry about that, my memory was full, but I'm at the same place I left off. So just on this side. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Jeffree Star and Morphe collab. They created this beauty blender. It's the Jeffree Star beauty blender, and I really like it. Oh, I had a peel off mask before this. Literally, I'm freaking fast at everything. Like, I'm just a freaking pro. Just kidding. But this is good when you're like on vacation or something, and you're just trying to hurry up. You just want to freaking blend it. Like, hit your face as hard as you can and as fast as you can. It's like, you know. Just think, I always feel like I'm on a timer for some reason. That's just how I feel all the time. So I just like go really fast. And then I always get my eyebrows dirty. Well, not always, but most of the time. And I can hear the ice cream man outside. Sorry. Got my whole face because you don't want to leave your house with like a splotch of foundation, you know? Okay, once that is done, then I'm going to go in with my other concealer. You can use the same concealer, but I like to use the, oh, no wonder my hair was all stuck in there. The matte concealer and NC20 memory. But anyways, back to where we were. You want to just push this into your skin for a little bit until your contact gets back into place. So then you just make sure you don't look like a clown too much. It's okay to look a little bit like a clown, but not too much. Kind of sniff a little bit of like your nose, you know, you bring it really inward. Okay, after I'm done with that part of my face, I'm gonna get this Pretty Vulgar setting powder that I got in the color 147. It's just translucent powder. I did get this in my BoxyCharm. And then I'll just bake my face for a little bit under my eyes. It melts off your face. I get my BH Cosmetics brush, the fluffy brush, looks like this, and then I get my Anastasia contour palette in the color Rich Amber. Just kidding, not kidding, just kidding. Then you just I like fluffy brushes because they're just faster. The bigger everything is, the more messy it could be, or the faster it can be. Sorry about my phone. Then I get kind of the sides of my nose with the edge of my brush. And then I get this bronzer here, which is the Estee Lauder bronzer in the color Bronze Goddess in 03 Medium Deep. And I just like to put this one over my bronzer because it's just a little more bronzier, you know? That made no sense. Like, I'm so sorry. No time to explain. Just kidding. Perfect. Perfecto. And then what you want to do is, I like to get my Luxie brush and my MAC blush. This is so old, I don't even know what kind of color this is. I think I've said it before. I'll try to find the color. But I just get a little bit. It's like just a matte blush. And a nice fake smile, like your customer face smile. And then you just go, and then I like to put some on my nose a little bit and then around my face. And last step is I get the edge of my beauty blender. I get some more of this powder. And I just cut it. Oh, sometimes it'll do that. Cool. And now the hard part is cleaning up. Just kidding. Next, I go ahead and go in with a lip pencil. I'm just going to be using this one that I probably got at like some random store. It's called City Chick lip liner. Marcella is a color like pasta. My phone, man. And I just align my lips. If there is no time for lip lining, then don't even do it, okay? Because don't be like me. And for this, I'm just gonna grab my Morphe lipstick. Go, alright? Then I add some lip gloss. And this is from Lamar Cosmetics. And it's just a gloss, Dulce colored. And it's just a very nice gloss. Perfect. And then last step, I just apply mascara to my eyes. I already have eyelash extensions. I just need to brush them, but I just put mascara on the bottom of my lashes. About that. You just spray it. And I'm just using my Tarte Highlight in the color Glimmer. And just like that. Perfect. And if you want to go a little bit above and beyond, you just get a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be using a neutral brown shade. I'm going to use Raw Sienna from my Modern Renaissance palette. Tap a little bit off and just apply it all over my lid. I kind of put it on the outside corners only, just because I feel like you always want to leave the inside a little bit brighter, and that's why I don't go all over my eyelid, just on the outside. And again, on the outside. And if you want to go add a little bit shimmer on the inside, I'm just going to use Primavera right here. And just apply it to the inner corner of my eye. And there you have it. And then last touch, seriously, I just get a little bit of that same color I used for my lid, and I put it on the lower lash lid. Just a little bit. And there you have it. So this is the completed makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click like and subscribe to my channel down below to see more videos. The hard part is cleaning everything up, so good luck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.